What up, YouTube? It's Pyro49. Coming back with a new vid. It's just an update. I picked up some new cakes, so ready to show you guys. I picked up Radiation by Cutting Edge. Picked up Air Boss by Brothers. Pretty big cake. Picked up Night Shift by Brothers. Need for Noise by Windows. Good cake, I like that one. Then I picked up these three: Crime Scene, Turf War, and Blood Money by Brothers, 49 shots each. This one, this guy told me he had some. You guys should know what this is. 200 shots, dead heat. I had to go get it, so it's a pretty good pickup. But yeah, it's just my little update. Picked up a couple cakes, and I will be doing a demo of these right here, these Deadpool. So stay tuned. I'll probably have the video up today, later on. So stay tuned, you guys. I'm out.